My name is Bryan Buckley and I'm the Territory Sales Manager for the Sundance Ultralight Travel Trailer. I wanted to go over a few of the key features on our 2020 Sundance Travel Trailer. Up front, we've got a painted fiberglass front cap. Down below, we've got the standard power stabilizers. And on most models, we have the outdoor kitchen. Leading up into the coach, we've got the MORryde step above solid step with an oversized grab handle and then a door with a window. A lot of people are getting away from that, but we're sticking to it. We want to make sure we get as much natural light into the coach as possible. Take a step inside. For the 2020 Sundance, we wanted to make it feel warm, airy, and bright. To do this, we put the biggest windows we could to let as much natural light in as possible. They also open up all the way to allow a lot of good cross-flow ventilation. We've also got a new lighter cabinetry in here and a tall Mediterranean arch ceiling to give, again, that nice openness into the coach. The counters, we went to a pressed countertop to give you that nice luxury feel. Those are just a few of the key features of our 2020 Sundance. For more information, please give me a call or visit our website for more information.